I'm reloading.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting.
You're a hard bastard. You'll make it.
Inserting armor.
Switching max.
Inserting
Enemy
armor.
soldier incoming. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Head to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it. Enemy intel located. Capture and secure the intel point to discover the next gas spread.
Adding armor.
Reloading.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Taking effective fire.
Warning and will speed up the process. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.